Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change a security group and also how to change the instance type for a existing EC2 instance. So here you can see I have multiple EC2 instance. I want to change security group for this existing instance. So here the instance state is stopped state. So let me select one instance. So first I will show how to change the EC2 type instance, how to change the instance type to a EC2 instance. Click on it, go to actions. Here you can see instance settings. So currently it's showing t3.micro, correct? So instance settings, here instance type, change the instance type, click on it. Here I'm using free tier account, so it will show only few instance types here. So here I'm choosing t3.small, just click on it. You can see here change the instance type, just click on it. Can see here instance type changed successfully, correct? Instance type, if you want to change, means it must be in stopped state. And also I will show you how to change the security group. Let's say here my security group, here you can see default and security group ID is this one, 11, correct? Let me change this security group. So go to the instances, here actions, security, change security group. Before changing the security group, you must create a security group, then it will show here, it will list out the security group, whatever security group you have created. So I have created already new demo security group. You can click on it, just add security group, can remove this existing security group and save it. That's it. If you want to create a security group, you can go here, security groups, under networking security, can create a security group, can give a name here and description, and VPC. If you have a separate VPC, you can choose the separate VPC and inbound rules and etc. And you can click on it, create security group. Now we'll check what security group is updated here or not. You can see here new demo security group, right? Yeah.